This is a contract. I'll give you my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams.
Vegeta! My wounds are gone. Vegeta!
Huh?
Huh?
We cut him to ribbons and he's still alive? Gross! I really hate devil hunters! You guys, eat that ring!
These guys already had plenty. How come they wanted an even better life? Maybe I'm the same. I should have been happy as long as I had Pochita. But I still dreamed of a better life. Oh, I get it. Everybody dreams. You can't help it. Then dreaming's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing, but... if you're gonna get in our way, then die!
He has to stay dead if we eat him. What are you? Did that small fried devil take over the body? Then you're one of us, right?
Looks like you guys turned into devils down to your hearts. And since I get paid to be a devil hunter, I gotta kill devils dead! I know! If I kill every last one of you, it's bye-bye dead!